Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today I got a late start on my trading. I'm usually done by open, but I ended up sleeping in today. I hadn't been feeling great, so my trading hasn't been on time lately. But I wanted to show you what I did, and this entered the trade about 10:20 today Eastern Time. This is the angular strategy we now have ready to be leased on the website. And what my goal is to hit $1,000. That's my goal every day. And so I run 10 contracts on it so I can just get quick profits and get out. This one ended up running all the way up through there, but with the settings I've got, I ended up getting stopped out right here. But I still hit my $1,000 profit, so I'm at $12.75 on this one. I'm very happy with that. Yes, it would have been nice to have gotten this, but I'm very, very happy with what I got. You can't be greedy in your trading, and because this could have easily just went ahead and come back down. To show you what it would have done earlier on, I usually trade 6 to 9, somewhere on through there. So right here, I would have got my profit right here. So you can see this is just a little spot here, but I would have made my money here. I would have made my money there. This one, I'm not real sure if I would have got that. I would have got part of it, but not all of it. And this one would have been a loser. I would have got my profits here, and I would have got my profits there. So, and here. So there's, out of this morning, if I would have traded, but I never. If I would have traded, there's one, two, that one's probably a break even. You would have got a little bit of it. We'll call it, we'll just not even, we'll count this one and this one as a wash. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 good trades today. 6 good ones. You got one bad here. This would have been a good one, so we'll call it 7. 7 good ones, 1 bad one. But I would have stopped right here just as well as here. So if I need to put that on pause before I forget. But I would have not even had to trade any of this. I would have actually got this trade and been done. If you'd have been up earlier in the London session, just if you were, this would have been a good trade here. So you would have made profit there. This one would have been a bad trade. You'd think this would have went really good, but anyway, it pulled back on it. So that would have been a bad one. You're not going to win every trade, and what you want to do is get your money and then quit. You don't want to keep on trading. And a lot of people just say, "Well, I've got a bot; it's going to go ahead and make me $10,000 today," and that's not necessarily true. I mean, it depends on your contracts that you use, but I trade 10 contracts, and by trading 10 contracts, that allows me to take faster profits and get out. As you can tell, all of these would have actually done a little better. My entry would have been there. The max would have been 58 points. So at 58 points, you're looking almost $3,000 right here. So that's what you've been looking there. So on this one, you would have, you could have got 14. And actually, that's not points. That's ticks. Sorry about that. So 58, let me do this. I changed this over, and because I was doing something else. So let's go ahead and switch this back to default. And so there's $725. Sorry about that. And then if we come over here, 175. So I would have gotten my full trade here. This one I would have gotten both of them actually. I wouldn't have got my second target. I wouldn't have hit my second target. I would have hit my first, and then I would have had a break even, so I would have made money there as well. I wouldn't have got my $4,000 unless I went ahead and took my profit up here. This one here actually goes up to there. Depends on how you had your stop. More than likely, this one right here, your max. So you would have got your first target and a break even, so that's probably what would have happened here. And on this one, you would have got your first target and a break even. So, and if you had closed it out sooner, you could have got your $1,000 here and your $1,000 there. You could have easily got that. And then, of course, right here, you can see that we got our first and second target. Our second target's on 4 points. So this one would have been great if we would have stayed in the trade, but I didn't. I just let it go, and the way it was kind of going through here, this looked like it may go ahead and keep pulling back, and I didn't want to lose any money, so I left my stop where it was. I was going to video it, and I just forgot to do the video on it. But anyway, you can see, even if I would have videoed this whole day, there's one loser here. This one right here would have been a first target and a break even. That's what it would have been. So right there. So we would have got our first target for sure. And it would have come back and got a break even. So our first target, we'd have made $800 on this one. If we'd closed out the whole thing, we still could have made our $1,000 there. This one right here would have ended up losing. Actually, I think it's yeah, that's our target on it. So we would have lost $1,000 here if we would have used this on our stop. So these two really just kind of washed each other out. But how you lease it, you can come in here to our website. And I am working on a page just for this. But if you come in here and you type in Angular, and this will be fixed today, but you can click on the Angular bot. With the Angular bot, you also have to lease the indicator. So you get the indicator to use manually, and you get the bot. And both of them together are $1,300 a month at the time of this video. If you want to lease just the Angular, then you can do that as well. So if you come back to actually just the home screen, and you go right here, you can click on that. And to lease it is $800 a month. With this, you also get access to my Discord, so you can ask me any questions you want. I help everybody in there do some live streams and such to help everybody trade better. I go over a lot of settings too, what I'm actually trading, what I'm liking, and things like that to help everyone out. So you get a lot with this. We used to have a free Discord, and I shut it down. There was too much drama. So the only way you can get access to me in the Discord now is if you lease the Angular bot. You can see it right here, free Discord with live trading. I haven't done any live trading in there yet. We just recently started this up. Maybe by the time you watch this video, we are full-blown in doing that. But you're welcome to check it out. If you have questions, you come up here to the contact. And when you click on contact, you come down here, fill this out. And when you fill that out, submit it. I'm the one that gets all these emails, so if you got any questions at all, let me know. Be happy to help you. We do have a lot of different stuff up here. We do have SpyBot that has a lot more bots with it. Now, if you currently lease SpyBot or you want to lease it, the only thing you have to do is lease the Angular indicator, and then your bot will come with the SpyBot lease. So you can lease it. We have a couple of different ones that you can lease. We have the premium, which comes with all of the courses and so forth, and the live training that we do. You get all that for free. And we also have the basic, and the only thing you get with that is the SpyBot itself. You don't get all the courses, live training, and all that, but you do get the training for the bots. So we have the basic package and the premium package. And the premium is actually probably the better end of it. Because you get a lot of courses that teach you how to manually trade and so forth. In my opinion, I think the best deal is to go with the Angular bot and indicator, or if you want to go with the Angular indicator and then go to the basic, that way you can have all of the bots as well. So, and I'm going to do another video here in just a few minutes, and it is going to be showing another bot that I ran today, and it's the Super Trend. I ran it today and did very well with it as well. And that one, I actually cut it off too soon. I closed it out. But you can watch the other video and check it out and see what you think. If you have any questions, like I said, just let me know. Be happy to help you and get you started, get you in the Discord room, and start getting you to where you're doing better than what you are now. Have a great day. Appreciate you all.